It's a crazy, 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 crazy. It's a crazy, crazy, crazy. I said, what a thing I said. It's a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. It's a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. It's a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. Look at that. I said I go see man with woman, whoa yaga yaga yo. I said I go see brethren with brethren, whoa yaga yaga yo. I said to them say it, they said them a have a solid vibration, hey. I said to them say it, them say them a have a solid vibration, hey. And all of a sudden, what a explosion in a illusion, boom. It's a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. What a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. What a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. Yeah. Bam get smart. Man get dumb, 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 dumb. I say bam get smart, man get dumb, 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 dumb. Oh what a thing I go see with eye to eye see. You cannot tell the difference from the man with the woman is. Them still aware. The same pollution, and it's the same pollution. It's gone in a illusion, boom. What a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. What a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. What a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here. Right here, right here. What a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. Hey. Ah. Choo. Hey. Ah. Banana pam 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 pam. Yeah. I said I go see the old. I said I go see the old. Inject themselves to be young. I said I go see the old. I said I go see the whole, inject themselves to be young. Man changing themselves to become woman hey. Woman changing themselves to become man hey. Oh what a thing I said, the doggone crazy, the crazy, crazy, crazy world right here, right here, right here. What a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here. Right here, right here. What a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here. Right here, right here. What a crazy, crazy, crazy world right here. Right here, right here. Hey. Ah. Choo. Hey. Boom, bam, bang, bang. Banana, pam, 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 pam. Pam, 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 pam.
So why do you think the world is crazy?
Well, especially this thing called Corona now, man-made thing. Yeah, see, one time you have all the President Roosevelt say, things don't happen by itself. It planned, so all these are planned by men mean. They say mankind, but we say man mean. Yeah, see, so, it's very crazy, conscious. Some of few conscious people in the world.
You're walking in the park today.
Yeah, oh, nice.
But can you see anything in the park that tells you that things are really getting crazy?
Well, we are with nature, the birds and the lizards are nature. So this is the land of the living that don't really interfere by men, I see. So, you have the animal free up inside, don't go by no programming. We don't see no programming going inside here still, I see.
Yeah, but we see a lot of dried trees and dried water sources.
Yes,
so
yes, that's nature.
It tells us that things aren't as lush as it used to be.
No, because even the water that running through the angle here, it get polluted from the outside road, the sewage. They call it the sewage coming through the land. Yeah, I see it. It's toxic, very sick. Do the water and all that. I shall look at this one now. Willow tree.
You know what we're looking at? How society is changing, right?
True.
And we see the beautiful trees that are in here, but if
people could be like the trees,
if global warming continues,
we don't got no more trees.
We are living in a crazy world, right? Yes.
Interfere with the nature.
Nature at its best. Right now we're seeing it, but we're also seeing a lot of dryness and what have you.
And the behavior of people too, I shine. I see. The behavior of people trigger off all these things. Because how the people they don't behave right with nature. Because animal is nature, fish is nature, and we have a lot to do with it, especially supporting. We support a lot of wrongs, so that's the wrongs is the thing we want to get abolished with, the wrongs. Because wrongs cause all these things to happen. Yeah, you see, so we need to get rid of the wrongs. Because enough time people don't know that they're supporting the wrongs. Because if people eat fish, to make the fisherman go catch fish. Yeah. Crazy. And that's still crazy. So all these things we are talking about, it's still crazy. Yeah, you see, that's why we sing about all these things. What we sing about, it happened. It happened. Because right now, things are crazy. Place locked down, price gone up. You have money and you cannot get what you want because you're still limited with your money. You only can get a few things out of the store. And you're telling the people that you have money, they say, I don't care. You only can get one or two, limited. Yeah, so it's a stick-down world. As some people say, stick-up world. We are into a stick-down world right now. Yeah, you see. So that's crazy when you find yourself trapped. You are trapped. You're very trapped now. Yeah, it's crucial.